For birthdays or parties, a colourful unicorn cheesecake is always a treat. Nyam Nyam brings to you a step-by-step process to make and bake this beautiful cake. Made with a few ingredients like biscuits, butter, cream cheese, vanilla extract, sugar, milk, gelatin, food colouring and melted white chocolate. This cake is loved by all, so let's get started. All you need is 15 digestive biscuits smashed up with a rolling pin in a food bag, microwave 60 grams of butter and pour the melted butter onto your smashed up biscuits. Stir it all together and then stick it in a baking tin and chill for 1 hour. Now get 480 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and whisk it all together. Next, in another bowl, get 2 cups of hot milk and add 2 tablespoons of gelatin to that. Whisk it all in and pour it into the cream cheese mixture. Pouring that into 3 separate bowls and adding your food dye, blue, purple and then pink. We're going to put that 1 layer at a time on top of our biscuit base, chilling each time for 1 hour. Pink on top. And then get 1 cup of melted chocolate and dip in some ice cream cones with a few sparkly sprinkles. Chop the top off. Your cake is ready and set. You can add some gumballs on top. And upside down cones. And there you have your unicorn horns. Don't forget your giant lollipop and sprinkles, of course. Ready to serve. Delicious.